Kaugnay niya, nagpaabot ng pakikiramay ang Malacanang sa pagpanaw ng kapatid ni dating Pangulong Gloria Macapagal Arroyo na si Arturo Macapagal. Kinilala ng palasyo ang pagiging mahusay na Olympian at respetadong business leader ni Macapagal. 2 beses niyang dinala ang bandila ng Pilipinas, una sa 1972 at 1976 Olympic Games. Hinawakan niya ang national record sa Olympic free pistol shooting ng mahigit 21 taon. Nakilala rin si Macapagal sa automotive industry at sa mga sinuportahan niyang socio-economic organizations gaya ng Habitat for Humanity at Scholarship Foundation for the Filipino Youth, kung saan nagsilbi siyang chairman.
The nation lost an outstanding Olympian and a respected business leader with the passing of Arturo Macapagal. This morning, Mr. Macapagal represented the country in the 1972 Munich and 1976 Montreal Olympic Games and held the national record on Olympic free pistol shooting for more than 21 years. He is a recognized leader in the automotive industry and is a staunch supporter of various socio-civic organizations such as Habitat for Humanity and the Scholarship Foundation for the Filipino Youth, where he served as chairman. We extend our condolences to the bereaved family of